Hello everyone, welcome back to the Crafty channel. Today we are going to be learning how to make a trendy structured standing bony sleeves as shown on the screen. So I'm using this pink fabric and I'm using the same fabric for the lining, and also I'll be using this hard interfacing for both the sleeve and the lining. And I have this trimming to put at the edges of the sleeve as shown on the screen. And I'll be adding this boning. This is called regional boning. You can sew on this boning. The plastic one is very hard and you cannot sew on it. You can sew on this one. So I'll be using this regional boning. And I have some tools. So if this is your first time on this channel, you are welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell icon to be updated anytime I upload a new video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. Thank you. So let's get started. To make these sleeves, you need some measurements to take, and I'll be taking you to my mannequin to illustrate to you how to take the measurement for this sleeve. So as you can see the style on the screen, the sleeve starts from the center front under the bust. So you take your measuring tape, you place it in the center front like so, and then you take it across the shoulder. You take it like this. So when you get to the shoulder, you raise it a bit to the height you want the sleeve to be. You measure it to the back. So I got 25 inches. So I got 25 inches. And I'm going to be dividing it by 2, which is 12.5. And I'm adding 1 inch for seam allowance. So 12.5 plus 1 inch is 13.5. I'll be cutting both for the sleeve and for the lining. So I folded it in half. That's in 4 pieces. And I'll fold it in half again. And I fold it again because I'm cutting it double for both the sleeve, the main sleeve, and for the lining. I'll be taking my chalk. On this center side, I'll start measuring from this side. That's the folded part. I'm going to be measuring 3.25. And I will be measuring the length. I'll be taking 13.5 here. I roll a line here. I took 3.25 here. And on this side, I'll be taking 1.5 inch. And I'll be connecting from this 3.25 to meet the 1.5 inch. I'm going to get my scissors and cut it out. So this is how it looks like. This one. This is the second one. One for the main sleeve and one for the lining. So next, I'll be folding the fabric. My fabric is not enough, but I'll manage it. I'll be using this interfacing as a template to cut on the fabric. So I'll be cutting on both the lining and the main fabric. So this is it. These are the 2 pieces. One interfacing for each. You then go ahead and take it to the ironing board and iron the interfacing on the fabric. So I'm going to do just that and be back. So I finished ironing the interfacing on it. on the sleeve and on the lining. So what I'll be doing next is to attach the boning. So I'll be attaching the boning on the upper side of the sleeve, and I'll be leaving half an inch. I'll attach it all the way to the end here. And the half inch, I'll use it to turn the sleeve inside out. And I'm also going to attach boning on the down part, like this. And also I'll be leaving half an inch. So I'll go and attach the boning and come back and show you the next step. So I finished attaching the boning to the lining. I attach on the upper side and the down side. Now I'm going to be placing the main sleeve on top, and then I'll use on the upper part, I'll use the half an inch same allowance I left to sew it on it. And then after I'll sew this side, I'll close this side and then close also this side. Before closing this side, you'll be folding the half inch inside like this for the down part before closing it here. So let me go and sew it on my machine and come and show you. So guys, this is it. I attached the lining to the main fabric and I left the down part open. I lock this edge and I lock this edge. So I'm going to turn it inside out. You can decide to add only one boning on the upper side. So I decided to add it on both the down part and the upper part to give the sleeve that stretcher standing look. You see, the sleeve is taking shape. You see, it's taking shape. The next thing you'll be doing is to fold the down like this with the half an inch I left, and then you come to the lining and also fold half an inch and then place them on top of each other like this. Then you go and stitch on top. So that's what I'm going to do now and be back. So guys, I finished stitching the down parts. So our sleeve is looking beautiful. You see the standing effect, the boning on the upper and the lower side gave the sleeve. Look how beautiful it looks. Very beautiful. So the next thing you'll be doing is to attach a trimming. So if you look at the picture very well, the down part of the sleeve, you see that there's a trimming there. They cover the stitches with a trimming. So I'm going to use this trimming to stitch down here. Like so. After attaching the trimming, the next thing is to give it a pleat in the front part. The back don't have pleats. In the front side there's a pleat. So after the trimming, I'll take it to put on my mannequin to see how beautiful our sleeve look. So guys, we have come to the end of today's tutorial. If you find this video interesting and helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share my video to your friends and family to support my channel. So don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you will be updated anytime I upload a new video. And also, if you have any question, you can leave it down the comment section below. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.